Please find a seat so we can get started with today's assembly. Welcome to the 2023 Homecoming Court Assembly. Today we are going to introduce our Homecoming Court. Chosen to represent the freshman class are Braden Calkins and Summer Lewis. Braden is the son of Keith and Kelly Calkins. He is a member of the football, basketball, and baseball teams. He enjoys playing sports and video games. Summer is the daughter of Heather and Ron House and Leon Palmer. Summer is a member of the competitive dance team at Door Dance Academy and Student Council. In her free time, she enjoys hanging out with friends and surfing on the lake. That's Braden Calkins and Summer Lewis. Next to represent the sophomore class is Carter Marin and Raylyn Blossom. Carter is the son of Brandy and Brian Marin. He has a 3.4 GPA and is a member of the football team. In his free time, Carter enjoys dirt biking and hanging out with friends. Raylyn is the daughter of Colleen Keena and Jason Blossom. She has a GPA of 3.8 and is a member of the swim and basketball teams, as well as student council, peer-to-peer, and yearbook. In her free time, she enjoys swimming and hanging out with her friends and family, especially her cousin Hayden. That's Carter Marin and Raylyn Blossom. Chosen to represent the junior class are Ashton Kasprowitz and Kaylee Cooper. Ashton is the son of Dan and Megan Kasprowitz. He is a member of the varsity football team. In his free time, he enjoys listening to music and going to the bins. Kaylee is the daughter of Jason Cooper and Michelle Takins. She is a member of theater, Improv Anonymous, choir, and yearbook. In her free time, she enjoys hanging out with her friends and bugging her mom. That's Ashton Kasprowitz and Kaylee Cooper. The students have chosen Mr. Ace Halbert and Mrs. Rhonda Halbert to represent the staff. Mr. and Mrs. Halbert are the parents of their two children, Molly and Mason. Mr. Halbert grew up in Morley, Michigan, and graduated from Montebello High School. He then furthered his education at Eastern Michigan University, where he studied English and literature. Mr. Halbert has been teaching at Wayland for 30 years. He has won the Teacher of the Year award as well as the Outstanding Person in Education award, in which he was nominated 4 times. His hobbies include fishing, golfing, and watching TV. Mrs. Halbert grew up in Maple City, Michigan, and she graduated from Glen Lake High School. Mrs. Halbert received her master's degree from Fair State University in Western Michigan. She has worked at Wayland as a social worker for 30 years. In her free time, Mrs. Halbert enjoys traveling and reading. That's Mr. and Mrs. Ace and Rhonda Halbert. And now here are your 2023 Homecoming King and Queen candidates. First to represent the senior class are Kahari Purifoy and Bailey Marin. Kahari is the son of Angela Moore and Kelvin Purifoy. He has a 3.3 GPA and is a member of the varsity football, basketball, and track teams. He enjoys hitting backflips and hanging out with Bailey. Kahari's future plans are to attend college for kinesiology. Bailey is the daughter of Mike and Amanda Marin. She has a 4.105 GPA and is a member of PALS and the Lot Club. In Bailey's free time, she enjoys spending time with her friends and hanging out with her animals. After high school, she plans to attend nursing school at Davenport University or the University of Michigan. That's Kahari Purifoy and Bailey Marin. Next to represent the senior class is Bryce Calkins and Elliot Antel. Bryce is the son of Keith and Kelly Calkins. He is a member of the varsity football and baseball teams. In his free time, Bryce enjoys wearing bogs and catching hogs. His future plans are to become a Navy SEAL sniper. Elliot is the daughter of Raymond and Jennifer Antel. She has a 4.1 GPA and attends St. Therese Catholic Church. She is a part of the cross-country, swim, basketball, and track and field teams here at Wayland. She is also a member of National Honor Society, Student Council, and SAD. She enjoys having sleepovers with the girls and beating her boyfriend Andrew in Mario Kart. In the future, she plans to attend college to study pre-med. That's Bryce Calkins and Elliot Antel. Chosen next to represent the seniors is Bryce Fodor and Reese Coughlin. Bryce is the son of Bill Fodor and his guardian angel, Leah Fodor. Bryce is a 4.0 GPA and attends Gun Lake Community Church. He is a member of PALS, Student Council, and Yearbook. Bryce enjoys hanging out with his best friends and listening to his girls, KP and T Swift. After high school, he plans on attending a university but is currently undecided. Reese is the daughter of Beth Coughlin and her guardian angel, Pat Coughlin. She has a 4.0 GPA and is a member of the varsity basketball, tennis, and volleyball teams. She is also a member of National Honor Society, peer-to-peer, and Student Council. In her free time, she enjoys going on vacation and hanging out with her friends on the lake. After high school, she plans to attend college but is currently undecided on where and what to study. That's Bryce Fodor and Reese Coughlin. Owen Folk and Ava Mikowski are chosen next to represent the seniors. Owen is the son of Christopher and Teresa Falk. He has a GPA of 4.088. He is a member of the marching band, concert band, theater, International Thespian Society, Improv Anonymous, Odyssey of the Mind, and National Honor Society. In his free time, Owen enjoys constructing complex Lego dioramas and preparing his next flamboyant outfit for the upcoming Spirit Days. After high school, he plans on attending the Lyman Briggs Residential College at Michigan State University to study statistics and natural science. Ava is the daughter of Jason and Tracy Mikowski. She has a 4.216 GPA and attends Gun Lake Community Church. She is a member of SAD, Eco Club, National Honor Society, Student Council, and is a student representative of the Board of Education. She is also a part of our varsity track, basketball, and soccer teams, as well as club soccer for the Michigan Rangers. In her free time, Ava enjoys hanging out with her friends and boyfriend Hudson, as well as wake surfing and traveling. After high school, Ava plans to attend college to study medicine and become a surgeon. That's Owen Folk and Ava Mikowski. Next up is Johnny Safro and Lorelei Beckwith. Johnny is the son of Dorinda and Ross Safro. He is a member of theater, lot club, the news team, and debate. He enjoys going to concerts he can't afford and playing his guitar. After high school, he plans on studying cybersecurity and music at Grand Rapids Community College and Grand Valley State University. Lorelei is the daughter of Steve and Carol Beckwith. He has a 3.787 GPA and attends New Life Church. She is a member of the cheer team, theater, and choir. In her free time, she enjoys listening to Taylor Swift too much, getting food with her friends, and making jokes that probably aren't that funny. After high school, she plans to attend college to study history and secondary education and become a history teacher. That's Johnny Safro and Lorelei Beckwith. Last but not least, we have Danny Keena and Reese Veltman. Danny is the son of Dan and Tricia Keena. He has a 4.0 GPA. He is a member of the wrestling team as well as SAD. In his free time, Danny enjoys golfing and playing pickleball. After high school, Danny plans to attend college for business management and finance. Reese is the daughter of Jimmy and Jen Veltman. She has a 3.9 and attends Peace Church. She is a member of the varsity volleyball and softball team at Wayland, as well as the Far Out volleyball and Venom travel softball teams. Reese is a part of National Honor Society and Student Council. In her free time, she enjoys shopping, boating, playing sports, and hanging out with her family, friends, and boyfriend. After high school, she plans to attend Kelvin University to play softball and study sports management. That's Danny Keena and Reese Veltman. Please give one more round of applause to our 2023 Homecoming Court. All right, first of all, I have some homecoming announcements to make. First of all, the theme for homecoming is obviously Mario Kart. I want to thank Student Council and everybody that came in for doing such a fabulous job on our hallways. I would ask that you please respect their hard work and not destruct everything that is up there. So thank you again for everyone that put in the time for that. Spirit points, here's the results from today. In fourth place were the juniors. In third place were the seniors. Second place, freshmen. And first place, sophomores. Remember, tomorrow is student teacher swap day. Powder puff announcement. First of all, t-shirt. Listen up, please. T-shirts. If you have paid, because there's some girls that have not, and coaches. If you have paid, t-shirts will be available to pick up at lunch tomorrow. The game is going to start at 8 o'clock on Wednesday. It costs $2 to get in. It is after the soccer game versus South Christian, so come support soccer to beat the Sailors, and then you can watch Powder Puff after. The bonfire will take place after with donuts and then cider from Mrs. G's Orchard. The parade is at 5 o'clock, lineup is at 4:30, and then the crowning of the king and queen is at 6:30. And the game versus TK is at 7. Dance, finally, the dance is from 7 to 10. You can buy tickets all week at lunch and on RevTrack, but you have to buy them before Friday. Lastly, you are just going to be dismissed your 6 hours to vote for the king, your homecoming king and queen. If you are going to come take some pictures, please use the stairs. All right? Thank you. Let's have a great homecoming week.